Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I will be showing you how to make a chocolate peanut bar at home. It's a very simple recipe and I made this bar in just a few steps. I hope you like this video. I loved it so much. It's so crunchy, so chocolatey and so yummy. So let's get to it. So the first thing to do is to roast the peanuts, and just on low flame add the peanuts to a pan, then keep stirring until they are roasted. Just keep stirring to ensure that they do not burn and that they are fully cooked, ensuring that they lay flat on the pan. And once they are ready, they will be like this, so easy to peel. And then you're just going to set it aside until they are fully cooled so you can start peeling the peanuts. And once the peanuts are cooled, now it's time to start peeling. It's so easy to remove the coating from the peanuts like you see on the video. And once they are all peeled, now it's time to move on to the next step. And in this step, the idea is to melt the dark chocolate. I used dark compound chocolate, and I could have melted it in my microwave, but there was no power by the time I was filming this video, so I just used this method. And then I added 1 tablespoon of peanut butter to the dark chocolate. I just added hot water to a bowl, then placed the bowl with chocolate on the water just to allow the chocolate to melt, and then that is peanut butter like I mentioned before. And just keep stirring until all the chocolate is melted. And once the chocolate is melted, now start adding the peanuts in bits. Just add the peanuts and then give it a mix, and then add the rest of the peanuts. And do this process when the chocolate is still on the warm water. By that time it was warm, because otherwise it's going to just set and it will harden if you remove it from the water. And then just keep mixing to ensure that all the chocolate and the peanuts come together. And you can use more chocolate, you can use more peanuts, use whatever you've got, also depending on the amount of on the size of the bar that you'd like to make. Just continue mixing, and then you're going to pour the mixture onto a flat surface. I used an oven tray that I had lined with a baking paper. Just spread the mixture to ensure that it is flat. And then now here I was melting white compound chocolate that I used to garnish the bars. Just used a piping bag to pour the white chocolate onto the other mixture. And you can decorate it however you wish. Be more creative than me. Make it as beautiful as you would love it to be. Also, you can add some sprinkles if you've got sprinkles at hand. It will make it even more beautiful. And then leave it to set for at least an hour. If it's in the fridge, you can leave it just for 20 minutes. But like I mentioned, there was no power when I was doing this video, so I just left it on the counter surface to rest. And after 1 hour it was ready. Like you can see, it has set. Just cut it into small bars and enjoy with your loved ones, with your family. You are going to love this one absolutely. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. And for my subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. See you on the next one.